The next factor that is responsible for this formation of Muslim League is the erroneous interpretation of history. Erroneous means the wrong interpretation of history. History which was taught by the British historians, they used a wrong interpretation to describe things. We consider means normally historians divide history into three parts. One is considered as the ancient period, second is medieval period, and third one as the modern period. But here British historians, what they did, they labeled ancient period as Hindu period, medieval period as Muslim period. Let me read it from your book. Some British communal historians divided Indian history into the Hindus and the Muslim periods. The rule of Turks, Afghans and Mughals were called as a Muslim rule, whereas the rulers were said to be the followers of Islam and their subjects the followers of other religion. In the so-called Hindu period, Muslim rulers were dubbed as foreign invaders who had settled in India. Now what they did, they started portraying Rana Pratap and Shivaji as national heroes and Akbar and Aurangzeb as foreigners and infused communal feelings. Moreover, what they did, some of the historians started claiming that in the ancient period there were number of cultural and social and economic developments as compared to the Muslim period, which were less in number as compared to the ancient period, that is the Hindu period. But this is the whole idea. They communalize the history of India, and this communalization, right, this communalization gave birth to a separatist trend, and that separatist trend gave birth to the formation of Muslim League, right. One thing I want to tell you, there was a very famous battle which was fought between Maharana Pratap and Akbar. That was the Battle of Haldi Ghati in 1576. Remember this thing. Well, though it is not part of the syllabus, but please remember it, that the person who was leading Akbar, that is a Muslim, so-called Muslim, if we follow these historians, right, the so-called Muslim ruler, the army of so-called Muslim rulers was led by Raja Man Singh, that was the Rajput ruler, and as per Maharana Pratap's army was concerned, it was led by a Muslim Pathan, Hakim Khan Suri, right. So it depends upon us how we take those sort of things. But this wrong interpretation brought a division, that created a division between Hindus and Muslim. That is more important. Thank you.